Hello friends, today I take a look at data types. So we have different data types that we can set up in Excel, and you can create your own data types. So the data type I'm going to look at today is the stocks. So the stock market, basically the shares. So as you can see here with my data type here, I have this stock or the name of the company that is listed on JSE, and I have here an area where I want to populate the price. Here I want to populate the change in price, here the high and the low. So to do that, if I have a defined data type which is stocks, I can just simply click here on the plus and say what extra data do I want to add. So the first data I want to add is the price. So what is the price of my share? So here there is the price, 23. And if I want to put the current high or the current change of the price, I can just say change. So there is no change in price. And if I want to pick up the high, I pick the high and I pick up the low as well. So to just show you that it's picking up the data straight from the JSE market, I will just show you here. Okay, there is the JSE website, and you can see the stock we are looking at is this one. So you can see let me just scroll, you can see the price here, which is the value of 23, and here is the same 23. And the change here is 0, and here it's 0. And you can see, let me just see if I can scroll sideways. Let me just maximize this for a little while. Then you can see the high of 26 and the low of 23. There is my high of 26 and 23. So I can do this basically for any stock that I have. So if I may expand on this one, you can see I can do the same and go and say I want the price for this one. And I can choose any stock basically and populate the price. So easily I can retrieve the data that I want from the internet. So this is the live data that I have. So if you want to keep track of any stock markets, any shares, you can just make use of this. And if it does change, you can just come and delete everything, and you can say you want now to get the new data again today, and you can say I want the price, and you can put the change and so on. So this is how you can make use of the data type and make your life easier in terms of searching from the web. And this is linked directly to the web and gives you the live market information. So the question you might ask is, how do you create this data type? So to create the stock data type, I will just jump off to sheet 2 here, where I have the data without any data types. Then you can just select all the data and you click on stocks. It will just take time to try and sync and search all these stocks and link to the company that is listed. So you can see it managed to link quite a number of them, but some of them are not linked because, for example, this one, I think it will be a property fund. So the full name should be property fund. Let me just check. I had to go and rename it. Yeah, you see it's Accelerate Property Fund. Let me just go and rename it. The moment I rename it, you'll see it will then read it. So here the question mark is gone. So now it shows that it's now reading it correctly, and it can link it to a company that is listed on Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So if you have a lot of these items, you can just go and check what is their actual name on the internet, and you can then replace this name with that name which you want. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button so that others can know how relevant it is and it can be recommended to others by YouTube. And also, please just remember to subscribe to my channel to support me. It's free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is to sign in and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.